Okay, who's ready to bounce today? We have a quick warm-up and then we're going to do light weights. So if you have 2, 3, or 5 pound weights, you can grab those. Now if you want to use a little bit heavier, you can use your 8 pounds, but I wouldn't go higher than 8 pounds today, okay, if you're new. All right, so let's just get started with the warm-up. All right, let's just start with a health bounce, pushing down on the mat. And tighten that core. And just circle the arms. Start with forward circles. Relax your shoulders. And soften the knees just a little bit, bend them just a little bit. Go backwards. Just a basic health bounce for now. All right, half jack. Let's go. Arms out and down. Out and down. So there's just 6 steps in the warm-up. Next step is going to be your basic bounce. Ready? Let's go. Basic bounce. Now, lift off the mat just a little bit. Bring your arms up and down. Just going to be working on toning the upper body with the weights. All right, that's your basic bounce. So we do about 20 to 30 seconds. And then we go to the next one, which is a full jack. Warming up the whole body with the 638 muscles in your body. Let's go. Getting that workout in first thing in the morning so you have time to do whatever you want the rest of the day. Let's go to surf. Push the hip out, push the arms. Push to one side. Ready? Let's switch to the other side. Push away, and turn the hip. Good. Again to the other side. Let's go. Do a few more of those. And switch to the other side. Your next step is going to be your cross jack. Switching the leg from left and right. Getting the legs first and then the arms. Push down. Or you can bring your arms up here, shoulder width, like that. Make it a little bit harder. You can bring it over your head and really push down on the mat. Good. All right, those are the 6 steps in the warm-up. Shake it out. Grab whatever weights you want to go with today. All right, I think I'll do the 5s. Okay, let's start with basic bounce. Basic bounce, and you're going to push up. Barely lifting off the mat though. Okay, you're barely lifting off the mat. Push up. Remember to really engage that core, tighten the core. Okay, rest. You can do like a little high bounce in between. Your next step is going to be front to back. So do the legs first, double front, double back. Now add the arms, push and pull, push and pull. If you want to do one bounce, just speed it up. Okay, all right, shake that out. Now we're gonna do the surf, but we're gonna do one surf like this and a tricep kickback. So instead of doing both legs, you're gonna do one leg. Keep your arms close to your side. Try the other side. So you're pushing your leg back and your arm. Now, if you don't want to bounce, just do the tricep kickback without the bounce. Squeeze that tricep. You want to do about 8 to 10 of those. Switch to the other side. Really working the back of the arms. All right, let me straighten up just a little bit. 6, 7, 8. Let's switch to the other side. Great. Okay, shake that out. Let's do some bicep curls with heels to the front. Alternating heels, alternating bicep curl. So on these you do about 16. 8 on each side. All right, shake it out for a second. Now, let's do that a little bit quicker. 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, shake it out. Great. All right, next one we're gonna go to the jumping jacks and we're gonna press up. All right, ready? Gonna go out and press. Y'all, when I started, I could just do 1 pound. Finally, working up to 5 to 8 pounds. In the gym, I do 10. Good. Now, remember, if you don't want to bounce, just do a health bounce and push down on the mat, okay? And press up. You're still working on balance and coordination. But when you're ready, you can do the jacks. Seven and 8. Good. Side to side. Oh, Let's go. Cross jacks, remember the cross jacks? And cross your arms. Getting a little cardio, getting your steps in. Make it a little harder. Bring them up if you can. That's a little harder. I know it, especially if you're going up in the weights. Good. All right, shake side to side. All right, no bounce. Let's do some skull crushers. Go out here, soft knees, up, and back. You got it? All right, we're going to finish with a little joyful jump. So throw those down or put them down wherever you can. We'll do a high bounce or a joyful jump. Now, I would encourage you, do the set all over again. Working the shoulders, biceps, triceps, back. So really this is pretty basic. Okay, all right, health bounce, stretch up, breathe in, and blow it out. Yes, we know women, you know, if you've been following me a while, my passion is to help women, especially over 50, get back into exercise. Rebounding is low impact. I try to keep it beginner friendly, but I'm moving toward a little bit advanced moves also. All right. All right, bring your arm across your chest and stretch. Hold that stretch for just a minute. Let's do the other side. Yeah. Good, now bring your arms up, grab arm, and lean just a little bit. Oh, did you hear my back pop? Let's do the other side. And lean. Good. Forward. And now grab your arms, your hand, clasp your hands like this. Okay? And bring them up. Slight bend in your knees as far as you can. Now drop those hands and grab your trampoline and squat and come up one vertebrae at a time. Doesn't that feel good? Yeah, give yourself a hug. Hug yourself. Pat yourself on the back. Thanks for coming in and joining me today. I appreciate it. And you know what to do, right? Hit the like, subscribe, comment below on what you would like to learn. Love to hear from my subscribers, and I will see you next time. Okay? Bye.